Welcome to the Thumbnail God YouTube channel, where I show you how to make click-worthy YouTube thumbnails to help you go viral. Today we will be making this NBA 2K25 thumbnail that you can use for your gaming channel. Watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's go. Click the Create a Design button, then search for YouTube thumbnail. On the left sidebar, click the Uploads button to upload your image. Click the image to add it to your page. Resize the image so that it fills the whole page. With the image selected, click Edit Image in the top toolbar, then select Magic Grab. This is an AI tool that allows you to reframe your subject while maintaining the integrity of your background. Go to the sidebar on the left and select Elements, then search for Blue Glow. I just used this element, so it shows up in my recently used elements. Canva will also recommend you similar elements, as you can see here. Resize the element until it's about the same size as the subject. Now press Command plus the open bracket to put the glow behind your subject. Go to the left sidebar, select Uploads, and click the 2K25 logo to add it to the page. Adjust the positioning to the top of the page, then resize the logo until it's about the length of the page. Now use the keyboard shortcut, Command plus the open bracket, to move the logo behind the subject. Make some position adjustments until the overall balance of the thumbnail feels right. This is the final results. If you found this video valuable, like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a Thanks Thumbnail God in the comment section.